I wanted to make this video now for a while. I want to make a video about what true profitability is, what true profitability feels like, what defines a profitable trader, and what common misconceptions are with profitability as a state of mind, right? So most of you guys are just kind of brainwashed into thinking that profitability is, oh, I've made money trading, or oh, I smacked a 1 to 5 risk reward today. That could not be further from the truth, right? From my personal experience as a trader, profitability is a current state of mind. Profitability is you in the current moment choosing to follow in your system, choosing to not revenge trade, feeling emotions, feeling that anger that you took that loss, but choosing not to do anything because you understand that that is only harmful and detrimental to your system, and ultimately adding poor statistics to a system that you understand is profitable over a given period of time. So why revenge trade if you know it's not going to make you money? Why double down in size and why get emotional when you know that's not part of the system that makes you money? And that's probably the hardest part of trading. And there's no debate about that. Emotions and psychology. There's a reason people put so much emphasis on psychology and trading. It is because it is easy to be a winner and easy to be green when the markets are easy. What's hard is to stay green or let alone break even when you're in choppy or poor market conditions, right? And recently we've been seeing a lot of traders, including myself, be very break even, right? So what's been holding me back from being red? What's holding me back from losing all my money and crashing out? It is my ability to follow my system. It is my ability to feel those emotions, to feel that anger, to feel that regret of maybe taking a poor setup, but understanding there's nothing I could do about it or nothing I should do about it, because all that is going to do is impact my statistics and skew them in a negative aspect. All it is going to do is most likely blow my account. It is going to cause me to go on tilt. It is going to cause me to validate poor trading habits. That is one of the biggest things I want to put emphasis on. Emphasize every single day when you are coming into the market open, try to put a big focus of your life into building good trading habits, right? What are good trading habits? Following your rules, taking 1 to 2 setups a day. Honestly, that's a little bit biased because maybe your strategy, you're a scalper, you take 5 to 6 trades. Maybe you take 2 trades a week. If that's you, then so be it. Whatever your system implies you to do on a weekly basis, stick to it. For example, someone like me, I shouldn't be taking more than 2 trades a day, right? If I see I am executing more than twice on the charts, the odds are I will go on tilt. So what do? I limit myself to 2 trades. I limit myself to what I am physically capable of doing or emotionally capable of comprehending and accepting before I go on tilt. Meaning, what dollar amount am I comfortable losing before I'm most likely just going to crash out, double down, and risk a stupid amount? What number of trades am I comfortable losing before I just start spamming buttons trying to make that money back? And for me, I am comfortable losing 2 trades. I am comfortable losing, let's say, $500 to $1,000 per funded account. So if I'm risking more than that on a trade, the odds are I'm currently on tilt, right? So that is something you have to apply to yourself. Learn about yourself, learn about how you react and about how you view the market on a daily basis. Take that, learn from it, and apply it the very next day. For example, today is Saturday, right? If on Monday, or whenever you are watching this, let's say Monday comes around, you blew your funded because you took 5 trades. Try to go back and see what trade caused you to go on tilt. First of all, prevent yourself from ever taking that setup again. Second of all, stop yourself from taking more than X amount of trades that cause you to go on tilt. So if you have, like I said, 5 trades and you notice after the second trade, your executions are sloppy and you cannot justify those last 3 trades, limit yourself to 2 executions per day. This could be mental or this could be physical. You could literally go into your Trade08 or go into your Project X, whatever software broker you are on, and limit yourself to 2 market buys or 2 market sells per day. And that is going to allow you to only execute twice and only execute when needed. Most importantly, the way I view it is when I come into the markets, I have a pistol. I have a gun. I have 2 shots to shoot. That's it. I was trying to make an analogy. I was trying to sound smart and I fucked it. I forgot what I was going to say. The way I see it is 1 shot, 1 kill. That is the way ICT put it. That is the best model, the best thing he has ever named. Do I know what the 1 shot, 1 kill is? No. I don't know what the actual model is. I just know he has a model named 1 shot, 1 kill. And that is the best and perfect way to view the market. Every day coming into the market, think to yourself, am I taking the best trade Or is there going to be a better shot lined up for me in a few minutes? Am I taking the best setup, or am I risking taking an unnecessary loss when I could be taking a 10 times better setup 5 minutes from now, right? So if you are asking yourself these questions and you cannot truthfully answer them, the odds are you should not be putting that risk on the table. The odds are you are very likely to go on tilt over the next 20 minutes, over the next 30 minutes, if you keep on breaking your rules, folding and going back, right? So when I sit here and I tell you guys, this is what defines profitability, I mean profitability is a state of mind. Profitability is what I just went over the last 5 minutes. It is the ability to understand and comprehend that you feel emotions. You are not a robot. You are a human being. You are bound to feel emotions. That is natural human tendency. It is in your DNA, right? It is up to you what you choose to do with those emotions. It is up to you to hold yourself back and tell yourself, I'm mad that I lost that trade. I'm mad that I lost money. Who wants to lose money? No one. That is a terrible feeling. It is up to you to acknowledge the fact that you are upset and to do nothing about it. That is what makes trading hard. That is why most people are bound to fail from the start, is because they cannot deal with their emotions. They cannot comprehend that their natural human tendency is leading them towards being angry because they lost money. That's not being greedy. Being angry that you lost money, that is natural human tendency. What is not natural human tendency is understanding that losing money is part of a winning system. Just because you lost today doesn't mean you're going to win or lose this week. Just because you lost today doesn't mean you're going to have a red month. In fact, losing every other day is quite literally normal, especially if you have a high risk to reward. You understand, let's say you have a 1 to 4 risk to reward and a 40% win rate, right? Every 10 trades you take, you're going to lose 6, meaning you win 4 of them, right? And you have a very profitable system because you have a 1 to 4 risk to reward, right? If you take one of those losses and you crashed out and you went back and you doubled down on a shitty setup and you went on tilt, what just happened to those 10 trades? Those 10 trades that were once 6 losses and 4 wins is now looking more like 7 losses and 3 wins. And one of those losses is a very fat loss, probably a 2 to 3 hour loss if you revenge traded and tried to go in with more size, right? So what can we take away from that? You are a profitable trader with a profitable system and a profitable set of statistics sitting right in front of you. Your job is to abide by those statistics. Your job is to follow that system you have written on paper that says, I have a 1 to 4 risk to reward with a 40% win rate. What happens when I go on tilt? What happens when I take more than 3 trades a day? I am likely to blow my account. Holy voice crack. Oh my God. I am likely to blow my account. So what are you going to do as a trader? You are going to acknowledge those facts, acknowledge those mistakes that you now know you are very aware of happening. Fuck, all right, you know what? I'm fried. My brain is fried right now. I've been talking for 8 minutes straight, right? Your job as a trader is to acknowledge those mistakes that you know are very realistic and very, very possible that can happen on a regular occasion and blow your accounts. Take them and make them a discrepancy. Make them almost impossible for you to come across in your trading. Like I said, if you are someone that overtrades, right, limit yourself to 2 trades a day. Limit yourself to 1 trade a day, 3 trades a week. Whatever that number is that you think will hold you back from going on tilt, whatever you think that number is that will make you choose quality setups. Remember, 1 shot, 1 kill. Every day coming to the market, think, is this the setup I want to take, or do I think there's going to be a better setup? Right? Is this the setup I want to take, or am I risking unnecessary money for an unnecessary reason? Right? So if you cannot check all those boxes when you are coming into market open, when you are coming into your trade, when you are about to enter that position, you should not be putting money on the table, right? So I hope you guys all took something out of this video. I hope you guys can actually become profitable traders, and I hope this video helped your journey, right? I'll see you guys in the next one.